The deep connection between brand protection and rotating residential proxies. Understanding why companies cannot afford to ignore it. Seeing the real market, not the filtered one. In today's digital-first business landscape, brand protection has become a critical battleground for safeguarding corporate value. Disrupted pricing systems, unauthorized distribution, counterfeit proliferation, trademark misuse, and cross-border violations are often hidden behind localized pages, geo-restrictions, or personalized ranking algorithms. The technology that truly allows brand teams to see the real world, rather than filtered or optimized views, is the rotating residential proxy. Why rotating residential proxies are core infrastructure for brand protection. Relying on data center or fixed IPs often leads to distorted results or instant detection. Residential IPs originate from real household networks. They offer high trust and low block rates on e-commerce and social platforms. Ability to mimic real consumer behavior. Access to unfiltered, unpersonalized content. Automatic IP rotation for high-frequency scanning. Sticky sessions for deep investigations and login-required data. 1. Enforcing pricing policies and channel compliance. In global markets, pricing violations and supply chain abuse are often extremely difficult to detect. Unauthorized sellers dumping products cross-border. Distributors quietly shipping goods outside approved regions. Platforms showing optimized prices to brand accounts. Region-locked discounts being leaked or misused. With rotating residential proxies, brands can view Amazon, Shopee, Lazada, eBay, etc. as real local customers. Capture genuine pricing, stock levels, and promotions. Identify underpriced sellers or suspicious listings. Verify MAP/MSRP compliance in each region. Monitor unauthorized cross-regional distribution. 2. Detecting counterfeits and trademark misuse. Counterfeit goods and trademark abuse remain long-term challenges. Fake listings quietly appearing on e-commerce sites. Platforms blocking access from the brand's region. Similar domain names imitating official websites. Fake ads circulating across social platforms. Massive small account networks repeatedly evading takedowns. Rotating residential proxies, with high anonymity and natural traffic patterns, enable brand teams to scan platforms for counterfeit SKUs in all regions. Detect ads that are only visible in geo-restricted zones. Trace counterfeit networks across marketplaces. Search and flag suspicious domains. Monitor brand misuse on social media. Collect unfiltered screenshots and page data for evidence. 3. Why rotating residential proxies outperform other proxy types. Although data center and mobile proxies exist, rotating residential proxies outperform for brand protection. Higher trust and harder to detect. Real household IPs, fewer blocks, more authentic views. Automatic rotation for high-frequency scans. Avoid repeated access from a single IP. Access to region-restricted or sensitive pages. Essential for cross-border compliance, ad monitoring, and SEO verification. Sticky sessions for deep investigations. Login workflows, seller monitoring, dispute evidence collection, etc. How KindProxy powers global brand protection. KindProxy offers 100M+ rotating residential IPs worldwide. Real household IPs with extremely low block rates. Intelligent rotation and sticky sessions. Stable access optimized for e-commerce and social platforms. High concurrency support for automated scanning. Verified IP sourcing with compliance safeguards. With KindProxy, brand teams can detect hidden pricing violations, find counterfeit listings and imitation pages worldwide, verify ads, SEO results, and storefront consistency. Gather accurate, region-specific market intelligence. Build a proactive global brand protection pipeline. Conclusion. Brand protection is becoming increasingly complex, and rotating residential proxies are the backbone that enables brands to obtain real data, detect hidden risks, and conduct cross-regional investigations at scale. Key takeaways. Rotating residential proxies simulate authentic user views. They reveal hidden prices, pages, ads, and localized content. Essential for platforms like Amazon, Facebook, TikTok. Rotation avoids blocks. Sticky sessions enable deep evidence collection. KindProxy provides stable, global, enterprise-grade proxy infrastructure. Want to build a professional brand protection monitoring system? Try KindProxy's rotating residential proxy network and gain instant visibility into global markets before risks escalate.